I'm so happy to see you, Shamati. It's so good to have you here. And today I have skincare under 399. So yeah, to that, all these things are from Indian skincare brands, and many of you have been asking for good, affordable options. And I think these are the best ones out there. So yeah, now let's start. So first I have these two things from Dot & Key. One is their moisturizer, and another one is their cleanser. And these are pretty awesome, and they kept it so affordable. I'm really happy. And if you're looking for healing, soothing, pH balanced skincare products, then this can help you out. So this Dot & Key Barrier Repair Gentle Hydrating Face Wash is exactly what the name suggests. It is great for skin barrier because the formulation is really gentle, doesn't dry out the skin, and it has this beautiful gel texture. It creates moderate amount of foam. It has this pH of 5.5, which is our skin's natural pH as well. I have verified it by testing it. So if you have dry skin, sensitive skin, I mean even if you have oily skin, I think it can work for you. Though the brand says that it's for sensitive and dry skin, but frankly I think it can work for all skin type. It has panthenol as well, which is great for skin barrier. Also it has oils like jojoba, coconut. Glycerin is in there to hydrate the skin, and rice bran water is there to brighten up the skin. It is a fragrance-free formulation. It also contains vitamin A, and I absolutely love the feel of it, how it works on my skin, and it is really affordable. I love how it soothes my skin while cleansing and makes it soft and fresh. And now I have Dot & Key's Ceramides and Hyaluronic Skin Barrier Repair Face Cream. If you're looking for a moisturizer that can nourish your skin without being greasy, that can support your skin barrier, that feels soothing, yet all these things yet affordable, then this can be your pick. You just have to pay 395 rupees for 100 grams, and it has 5 ceramides. Probiotics are there to take care of your skin's microbiome. Humectants, then occlusives, emollients are gonna support your skin barrier by hydrating and nourishing your skin and preventing the water loss. And this is a fragrance-free formulation, and winter is coming, and I'm telling you it can work for all skin types and a great pick for winter. And to make this more affordable, you can use my code SHAMAFTI15 to get 15% off on all the Dot & Key products. So next I have one soap, and this is the most beautiful soap I've ever seen, and the smell is really nice. And this is from Art Rhythm, their rainbow goat milk soap. Okay, I shouldn't have put the white soap in there, it got stuck. I need to buy one soap case. Anyway, look at this. Smells so nice. It has this very warm floral kind of a scent, and this doesn't feel drying, but it's not as good as body cleansers like soothing creamy body cleansers or body cleansing oils. But this is better than other soaps that I have used. Those felt like really drying, and sometimes, to be very honest, I like to use soaps. So this soap contains ingredients like coconut oil, olive oil, aloe vera leaf juice, goat milk. So if you are a soap lover, you can give this a try for sure. So next I have this lip balm, and this is from Plum, their Candy Melts lip balm. So I like their caramel lip balm a lot. Then I found this one. This is cookies and cream. It doesn't leave any tint, and this is so moisturizing. I use this as lip sleeping mask. It works really well, and the smell is, oh god, it smells like Oreo. It has castor oil, shea butter, olive oil, and if you are looking for a good lip balms for this winter, you can give this a try. I prefer using this at night. For the daytime I use tinted lip balms, but as a lip sleeping mask it works really well, and it feels non-sticky yet thick, and I like thick lip balms for night time. So last thing I have this Zit Zapper or Zit Wonder from Foxtail. This is their acne spot corrector gel. I don't get much pimples or acne. I sometimes get 1 or 2 pimples that I want to treat as soon as possible because I don't want them to leave dark spots, and there it helped a lot. So I applied this on my pimple, then I applied one acne patch or pimple patch, and that way it worked better. And it has azelaic acid, niacinamide, salicylic acid, glycolic acid. The texture is similar to simple SOS gel, but it works better for me. It actually retails around $4.49, but Foxtel, they give sales now and then, so you can get it under $3.99 during those sales. And yeah, I really liked using it. I also like the fact that they have mentioned it there that it is not suitable for pregnant or lactating women, because salicylic acid is not advised to use during breastfeeding or during pregnancy. Currently I don't have any active pimples, so I cannot show the demo, but like I told you, I applied this on the active pimple, then I follow up with that pimple patch, and along with AHA BHA, it also contains niacinamide, then panthenol, and also azelaic acid makes it really powerful. It really helps to fade pimple quickly and without much dark spot, because that's like problematic. The pigmentation part, it takes longer to fade than pimple or acne sometimes. So yeah, there you have it, my skincare top picks under $3.99. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And I will be continuing this series like skincare under $1.99, $2.99, $4.99, $3.99, and I hope you find this to be helpful. So yeah, thank you so much for being here. I'm gonna see you soon then. Bye bye.